But yeah, can't talk. Elf concealer. Ooh. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you already subscribed, thank you. Thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you for your support. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the new e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I heard great reviews on it and I couldn't wait to get my hands on it and try it. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Okay, so I already have on my foundation. The foundation I used was my Revlon Colorstay in Caramel, and I already cleaned up my brow. Well, I already filled in my brows with the e.l.f. brow pencil, and I already cleaned them up with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige. So now time for the concealer, what I've been waiting for to use. So I went to pick this up in Target today. I've been hearing great reviews about it, so I just wanted to try it. So this is the e.l.f. the 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and this is the box that it comes in. And I got the color medium beige. So that's the same color that I use in my LA Girl Pro. So this, it looks like it's a little lighter, but if it is, I can always fix it. So let's get into the concealer, y'all. And this is the applicator. It's a pretty thick applicator, which is pretty cool. I'm starting under my eyes. Well, yeah, this is light. Whoa. I didn't realize it was gonna be like way lighter than my medium beige in LA Girl. And that's what I clean my brows up with, so you can see the difference. Whoa. Okay, so let's blend it out. Oh, and it dries quick, y'all. It's drying pretty quick, so you have to work with it really quick. I usually don't like my concealer to be this light. I know I like to highlight with it, but I don't like it this light. But it's workable. Oh, yeah, it's too light. So yeah, it dries down quick, so you have to work with it very quick. And it's nice and blendable. Let's see, is it full coverage? I think it's full coverage. High coverage. So yeah, that's considered full coverage. And it's seems to be buildable. Okay. I like it. Overall I like the concealer. I probably would have to mix it, unless I just see how the setting powder does with it. Yes, full coverage, blendable, but remember you have to work with it quick because it dries down very quick. I had to blend this out like really quick. So overall, I love it. So we're gonna see how I do with the setting powder. But first, I'm going to use my contour stick for like Radiance and Ebony. First, I'm gonna do that and blend it out, and then we're gonna use the setting powder just to see. I'm going to blend it out with my e.l.f. 104. This is their contour brush. This is my first time trying this brush as well, y'all, and I really like it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that concealer is like it's not even moving. Like, this concealer is no joke, y'all. I actually don't have to set this concealer, but in my case I'm going to just to deepen the color some. So now I'm gonna use my Sasha Buttercup to set my concealer.
Yeah.
Setting the contour with my black Radiance pressed powder in Ebony.
Tell me something that you know. I throw the ones all on the floor. Hopped in the ride and told her let it go. She took 2 sticks and now she all over the floor.
I'm going to use the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. Set my face with all this powder that I used. Okay, so I just finished up my face off camera. So this is like the completed look. I'm loving the concealer, y'all. Like I said earlier, dries down really quick, so you have to work with it very quickly. But I'm loving it. It's full coverage and it's buildable. I may have to mix it with like a little darker color the next time I use it. But I noticed when I set it with my Sasha Buttercup, it kind of deepened the color some, but without it, it was like way too light for my liking. But overall, I love the concealer. I love the packaging. Elf did a great job on this. It's supposed to be 16 hour wear. So it's a 16-hour wear. By me doing this video so late, I'm not going to be able to test it out. But the next time, I'm going to make sure I test it out for you guys just to see. But I can tell, I mean, there's no crease. I mean, it dried down like very quick. And then when I swatched it or swiped it or whatever you call it, without setting it, it didn't go anywhere, it didn't move. So, hey. And it was $6. So in stores it retail for $6. I got mine at Target. And hey, I'm loving it. I'm gonna find more colors. Also, since I did the rest of my face off camera, I'm gonna make sure I leave the products in the description below, so you guys just can see, you know, what I use. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you've not already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button to support your girl. But yeah, stay tuned to the next video. Be blessed. Bye.